don't know why this I don't know why this thing keeps on. Where you then? Oh, I'm sorry.
There.
I know you build up, come up.
Oh,
shit. Alright, you got. Me and I grow, you get. Can I see him party and party pickaxe. GG. I see him party, but I never see him. I hear him until after. Two of them, you know, one of them don't have no weapon.
let's see my easy back himself. He took off her easy, right?
One of them have pickaxe alone, and one have gun. This is why I try to learn to build. Oh, build people. At least get to know how to build back and come out somewhat also.
Ini bakal pindah dan
Whoa, that's a load of it.
Oh shit.
Max cover. Oh, yo, go Pleasant. Go Burgerhead.
Living there
Bagarissa.
again.
Bagarissa. Oh, wait. Something to the pan side there. The yang them. Go over to that side there. You could probably catch one. If
Oh,
they
two
not-
footed.
They not take them out.
Please don't always let it.
Right, then take them out.
Please, please.
God, man. Alright, just it. Yeah, man, just push burger. Okay. Oh, yo, people. Tell me what you think about merch. No vote. No vote. It's not for retail yet. Working on it.
Station below.
Hmm?
I say state below for now.
Where that?
Listen. I was saying that left the front of me.
Oh, I
March
stadium.
I see them on station.
Oh, stage show the model.
Tomorrow I'm listening to something. March on station.
Okay. Alright, cool. So it's a real life event or is it an in-game event?
Real life, man.
Oh. That neat.
You might get him own skin too.
Yeah, me kinda glad whenever me see like YouTubers them reach them stages, isn't me? Where you go to decide? Why you never go you never go the
Oh, Burger.
Yeah, go Burgerhead and take your risk. I pray to God today still over there, car. If you go steady over there, did over there.
See, I don't know whether the man go over there.
No man, so one day. No one that? No one. Yeah man, so one day.
Oh, yeah. Like they got to buy burger. Oh, one. Oh, yeah. See.
My eyesight kinda okay. You know, one on.
Oh, but guys to eat one.
Yeah, me I tell you. When me there go sign up for my driver's license, them I tell me. I actually have really good vision too.
Okay, next year too.
I mean, build all the ramp there so I come to you, know.
Eh?
Yeah. I mean, I've gone a uni now. I mean, up dead. Two years, then one of you then shoot me up because I pay attention to them. My finger on 100 now.
Yeah, what is it?
Dead man. I will it so it will. Content.
You know, team, man.
One day finish playing up by all four.
Oh no, I'm by the front of me, listen.
Oh, alright, nice.
Going to retail side. What is it? I'm telling that's enough to dance up on the
Panta Power.
the coffee.
That the place right there, sir?
Yep.
Hmm?
Yeah, man. Man, that.
Hold on, now what I'm going to way over there, sir?
I'm on some bike.
Fish every day, man.
You don't know if you do it, man. I say if you fly down.
I'm broken. If you drop broke part time.
You can buy it out there. See the post?
Go in, Mitch. I don't know when nobody come up here check the security cam. Yeah, so may I get up.
By there. I slurp, me go to me.
If you check the security cam, make sure so nobody no reach. I'm gonna lock them out. I mean, the data utilities and backup and server maintenance and bag of
No more. Now must be attending there. Don't have it. Let them go on. Yep, I'm gonna fight. That's why I'm about 200 to 10. Yeah, man, one thing. Oh god. Oh god. Mini gun and I down there. Ah, boy. I'm not going to take a look and stuff. Oh, what's what? Put it on.
Alright. Open Red Bull 876. Yeah, Mr. Alright, I'm doing a Red Bull. Me test out some stuff, you see me? So, me get a cam from my brother. So them bless me with a cam, so I'm going to run it, you see? So, eventually, you'll see me start up at the 720p stream them. I start giving some credit. What me do, me start like 5 likes, 15, 25, and then 100 likes. That's how me start it after a while. No, on my Wi-Fi, I work with it. Man, have a remedy chap. Man, have a remedy chip, man, have a remedy.
See, one. Yo, they fuck me again, what do we have to do? Like that.
Wait, how much on the left?
Yeah.
3 on the left?
Yep.
Oh, I can't see because if I put the camera they over with my part.
Boy, I wreck it on them. Man, no problem.
Yeah.
It's another launch one. Alright. Okay. One second there.
The man launch a boy after them.
You say you might use it.
But I think you shouldn't fire it. Rancha boy, do you feel say you over there?
Fine.
The man have... Him setting him have a sniper and him have a rocket launcher. Man, go mining wood business.
No. In between, no, not for me.
Well, the market, not coming.
No. Shit, man.
Yeah. I feel like I give a chip.
Yeah.
Come back. Yo, ladies 2 for 1, you know, man. Everybody, open at the party, open at the party.
Man, tahu pas mendadak.
What that? The
You buat myself.
I got that chip, are you, not so?
What that?
You buat original deal, brother.
There,
You buat myself.
I said, I'm what's my after?
you know that
Ay,
bad one,
friend
man.
man, brother. Ay, something.
Alfred O.
Yo, there.
Hey.
You dance, alright?
No, I'm not about dance. I skin more and buy.
Where's the mic? Where's the mic?
The man to be Alfred
What's
the
it
man.
on?
Hey, Atumba, take time, man.
Jay, where's the mic? Jay, is your mic?
No, brother.
Oh.
And I'm on the ear back to film game. You know what I'm saying, Erie?
Maybe up until.
I thought that one that dance.
Oh, we are going to
Yeah, done. Nah, man, I got to say that. What is that?
Paradise.
Paradise.
Alright, so my last game this, you know.
That one.
We got multiple incoming.
What? Tango.
Hear that?
Alright.
You have to say hear that, brother?
Oh, yeah, nigga, that no.
Yeah, them
Hey,
say
Jay,
they
kick the mic.
Oi, yeah. Oi, Alfred man, brother. I top call my name.
Oh, the bomba, how you? Oh, man.
You are talk about my mic, brother. Look up on the speaker them and say a Ufa mic. Hey, brother. Call it nails. So him name funny. 276.
Oh, me.
Talking.
Yes, man. Yeah, run now. Yo, them over the hotel, you know, come in. We go deal with them. I told them.
What's up? You go on there, man. Not even get a gun.
Forward, me have gun, man.
You gonna deal with them now?
What me I try to do?
I'm going in.
Now you a pro.
Alright, I three of them now. No, they're at the pool. Knock one.
One more woman coming.
Lagi amin bro. Knock.
Beri knock one.
He's really low.
Finish that shit. Seriously, finish that. Rivaldo. Yeah. Get me killed.
Res.
So wicked. They never thirst me.
No, we push that, brother.
Yeah, man. Them never have to thirst me. Boy, them wicked, man. Them deserve to dead.
Yeah, come on, sir.
Pump a bit up, me I see.
Yeah,
Oh, you find a pump. I want. Yeah.
Alright, me I come them. I go set up something.
Hey. Oh, a blue pump.
Two left and front.
Where Jamaican come from?
The macaroni is there.
How do you do it now? This one.
Yeah, come here, nerdy.
Shield me one.
Oh, man, I need them here. Wait. Open it. Well, start a scene. The father, I guess.
There's no way.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, launch part too.
Alright, people, this is it for the stream. Yeah. This is Triple Storm. People don't forget like, share, and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time I go live or drop a video. This is Triple Storm, guys. See you guys in another video. Yeah, man. I'm gonna cut this stream, you know.